Recently, the food problems in Indonesia has caused many problems in society.
Many things can cause these food problems, from climate problems, lack of food for farmers, and livestock breeders to carry out their work.
Because we saw this food crisis incident, we had to create a tool for help farmers in their work and assist them in harvesting or picking up their crop.
Our tool is designed to harvest rice automatically without human power by and all uses electricity.
Besides that, we also use solar panels to store batteries, and this is more environmentally friendly. Let's see.
Installed solar panels capture solar energy and convert it into electricity and stored into lithium batteries. Before starting harvesting, farmers arrange the machine according to the type of crop to be harvested and field conditions. The combination of cutting and rolling blades on the front of the machine is used to cut the plant from its base and pull it into the machine. Inside the rotor, seeds and plant will be separated from the stem and other material. The crop then goes through several cleaning processes inside the machine. In the use of electrical energy, this machine uses electrical energy stored in lithium batteries. When the battery energy is depleted, the engine can recharge using electric power generated from solar panels. Combined harvest machine automatic can work autonomously without relying on external energy resources, because solar energy and lithium battery enable the machine to operate efficiently, which take rice to be ready in harvest. Which where the rice rolls toward rice separator, where the rice is separated from the stalks. Place for rice when the rice has been separated from the stem. Battery holder function to continuity of this tool working. Solar panels.